So there are three major files in this um, project. So there's an final underscore thesis, and the other one is statistical underscore test, and the other one is output.sql. So let me talk about the statistical underscore test first. So in this, when you open this, so just open PyCharm, click on file and go to open, and then locate the file name statistical underscore test. Once you locate it from your files, click OK. So it should show you up here, and then click on final underscore analysis, and then right click and click on run final analysis. So when you run it, so it will ask you to type in the number of CSRF numbers that you want to generate. So I'm just going to type 100, hit enter. So once you hit enter, you should be able to see there are 100 numbers generated, but then you are not able to see the statistical test. That's because I've set the program such a way that when you run the program first time, it will just generate 100 numbers. I mean, whatever number that you typed in. So it's going to just generate those numbers and then save those numbers in CSRF underscore number files in Excel sheet. So this numbers would be the numbers which is to be an expected value for the statistical test. So that will be generating. So run the program again. So it will ask you the number again. So make sure to type in the same number that you typed in last time, just to have an accurate results. So hit enter again. So now you should be able to see a scatter plot. So in the scatter plot, so you can see that no numbers are overlapping. If in case you have any doubt, just zoom it in. You should be again seeing the numbers are scattered and it's like random. You can conclude that numbers generated are random based on this based on observing this scatter plot. So when you close that, you should be able to see the statistical tests. There are 7 tests that have conducted. That is autocorrelation 5 lakhs, and gap test, chi-square test, and serial overlapping test. These are all our NIST approved tests, and um, you can see that all the p-values that we got is about 0.05, and which means that the numbers generated are uniformly distributed and also it's random. So we know the numbers are actually random. So basically what we are now going to do is now run another program, that is app that is final underscore thesis. So make sure again to install all this packages. So for installing packages, just click on Python here, Python packages, just search for HMAC. That's the first one here, and yeah, the HMAC is actually default one, no need to install that. MySQL DB, MySQL. So when you search for that, you should be able to see MySQL client, which I have already installed it. For example, if you have not installed it, you should be able to see something like yeah, something like this. So click on install. So once it's installed, you should be able to run the program. And before you run this program, make sure to import your import the database. That's click on database import. You should be able to see something. um, yeah, something like this. Now click on this, import from self-contained file. Click on this and you should locate the file and click open. So once you do that, make sure to know your username and your database password. Type in here. Once you have typed in those things here, then you're good to run the program. So once you run the program, you should be able to see a link, which is that's a website running on the Flask. Click on this link. Once you click on this, you don't need to log in because the CSRF token is enabled only for the change password screen. So for now, let me type the wrong password. So when you type a wrong password, the token will be expired. So again, when the password is not updated for 30 seconds, it will take you back to the login screen. Let me show you that. It Oh, 10 seconds left again. So basically when it's, yep, it's one, and yeah, the password is, the CSRF token is expired, just for the display purpose. I mean, just to show you that I have displayed the CSRF token, otherwise it won't be displayed on the web page, and hope you know that. Yep, it's been redirected to the login page, and yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.